All right, we're going to find a maximum value this time. This is very much like the last video I did with the minimum value. I know it's going to be a maximum value because I see a negative in front of x squared, so that's telling me my parabola is going down, and the highest point, the vertex, will be the maximum value. I want to take the standard form and turn it into vertex form, and I'm going to use completing the square to do so. All right, first thing I want to do is I've got to create a perfect square trinomial, so I want to get rid of this 7 temporarily. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides, and I'm going to have y minus 7 equals negative x squared plus 2x. Now, I don't want to complete the square with that being a negative, so let's factor a negative out of these two, just on the right side. So negative x squared minus 2x. Okay, so I factored out a negative 1. All right, let's go ahead and write it like this, leaving a spot so that we can complete the square. We want to make a perfect square trinomial. The way we do that is we take b and we half it, and then we square it. So take the negative 2 and half it, you get negative 1. And then take your negative 1 and square it, and you get positive 1. So I want to add 1 here. Okay, pay attention to this. This is important, and this is why some people miss it. Normally you would think, well, I got to add 1 to this side, I've got to add 1 to that side. Normally that would be true, but because there is a negative right here, I do not want to add 1 to this side. I want to subtract 1 from this side. So I'm going to write minus 1. Okay. So I have y minus 8 equals negative, and then I'm going to take my perfect square trinomial that I manipulated the problem and created and factor it. The square root of x squared is x, the square root of 1 is 1, and there will be a minus here. Okay, it almost looks like what I need it to. I just need to get rid of this 8. So I will add 8 to both sides, and I have y equals negative x minus 1 squared plus 8. Okay, this looks correct. So my HK, which is my vertex, will be, this is the H, this is the K. The minus is in the formula, so that is going to be a positive 1, 8. So my maximum value is this 8. The maximum value is 8. If you were to look at that on a graph, it would be at 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, somewhere up here doing something like that.